What's up, Kabayan? Luther Lau here for Life in the UK. If you're new around here, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. But if you're already part of the Kabayan squad, nice to have you back. So pasensya na po kayo kung di tayo masyado nakapag-upload ngayong May kasi busy po tayo ngayon sa trabaho at saka meron na po tayong baby na inalagaan. Pero since day off ko ngayon at meron tayong libreng oras at nakita ko sa table na meron po tayong overripe na banana and it's been a while since nagawa po tayo ng banana bread, so naisip ko why not lagay natin sa channel natin para ma-share po sa inyo yung recipe ko for banana bread. So let's go! Sarap. Lagyan natin sa pan. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang video natin for today. Thanks so much, Kabayan, for watching. Kita-kits po tayo next time. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, basta Kabayan, ayos yan. Bye, Kabayan!